Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the most useful tools and gadgets that make life a little easier. Today, we're talking about what is arguably the best pet hair remover for laundry available right now. The reusable dog and cat hair remover tool by GJPSBEN. If you've ever lived with pets, you know the struggle. Pet hair ends up everywhere. Your clothes, your bedding, your blankets, and even places you didn't think were accessible to fur. And while vacuums and lint rollers are helpful for surfaces, what about the hair that goes straight into your washer and dryer? Clinging to your laundry like it belongs there? That's where this clever little tool comes in. The GJPSBEN Pet Hair Remover is designed to go right into your washing machine and dryer, working silently alongside your laundry to remove stubborn pet hair, dander, and lint. It's made of high-quality microfiber material with soft hooks, and the best part is it's completely reusable. That means no sticky lint roller sheets, no waste, and no need to constantly restock supplies. So how does it work? Simple. You just toss the hair removers in with your laundry. During the washing or drying cycle, the microfiber surface attracts hair and lint from your clothes. These 4 PCS are small but mighty, designed to isolate clothes and reduce tangling, which also leads to fewer wrinkles and faster drying times. The result? Cleaner, brighter clothes that last longer, and way less hair clinging to your fabrics. What makes this tool stand out is not just its efficiency, but also how gentle it is. It's designed with soft fabric to ensure it won't damage delicate clothing, making it safe even for kids' garments. Whether you're washing your pet's bed, your favorite hoodie, or everyday linens, it quietly does its job in the background, requiring no extra effort from you. Another bonus? It actually helps keep your washer and dryer cleaner by reducing lint buildup and potentially limiting scale or rust accumulation in your machine. And since it's also designed to help with odor removal, your laundry comes out not just cleaner, but fresher. Now, it's worth noting that for some ultra-short pet hair, the effect may be a bit less noticeable. But even in those cases, it still significantly improves overall cleanliness and helps reduce the general buildup of fur and lint over time. To use it, avoid fabric softeners or dryer sheets which can interfere with its effectiveness. Just toss them in and let them work. After the wash or dry, you can easily remove the collected hair from the tool and reuse it again and again. With an impressive 4.8-star rating, this product has clearly impressed pet owners who are tired of finding fur on their laundry. And the fact that it's durable and long-lasting only adds to its value. So if you're tired of the endless battle with pet hair in your laundry, the GJPSBEN reusable pet hair remover might just be the solution you need. Affordable, easy to use, eco-friendly, and best of all, effective. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss more honest, in-depth looks at the products that can improve your day-to-day life. See you in the next one.